Alright guys, Papa Pepper here with another episode of the Wild Man's Wild Friends. This one happens to be the leopard frog. Now the leopard frog is actually a more broad name given to a variety of species. There's many species that are called leopard frog, but they've been kind of subcategorized all the way down into a lot of different, individual recognized species. It's a type of frog, and they're often going to be kind of gray or brown or green, or a variety of the two, but they're going to have these darker spots on their body, which is where they get the leopard name from. They're often going to be dark brown. They can look almost black. So these guys are found in Europe and across North America. In my personal opinion, these are the ones you're going to want if you're ever in a frog jumping contest. They've got wonderful long legs, and oftentimes they can do 3 feet or more in a single jump. So I remember once my mom was in a frog jumping contest. We caught our leopard frog. She won that. Now leopard frogs are also going to be referred to as meadow frogs because they're not always right on the water's edge or in the water like a lot of other frogs, and they're not a tree frog. So a lot of times they'll be out in the plains and the meadows, kind of low-lying wetland areas and tall grasses where you guys will hear these sometimes, but you won't even see them. They'll just kind of shoot across through the grass, and you can have one 20 feet away from a pond out in the field, and within 3 or 4 jumps, it can be in the pond and under the water. So these guys will eat insects, worms. I've seen them eat smaller frogs. They'll eat small snakes, stuff like that. They're going to mate in the water, lay the eggs in the water. Some sort of pond, lake, slow moving stream, something like that. And these guys are about 3 inches right now if you just kind of set them on the ground, but I've seen them almost up to like 6 inches just in the crouched position, fully extended. This guy's already probably 7, and they can get much longer. One thing you'll notice about them too is they got these gold lines running down their body that actually cuts across usually the top of their eye. This one not so much. This one kind of runs a little more through. But they've got some beautiful camouflage. A lot of times the eyes will be pretty much have some good gold looking color in there. I've seen some where it actually like gold fleck all the way around for the iris, all the way around the pupil. So these are the leopard frogs. I grew up playing with them, catching them. As I said, they're hard to get. Now there's also pickerel frogs and some other ones that are similar. And like I said, leopard frog in itself is quite a large category of frogs. So there they are. Alright, pop out.